In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use the Link Lead Management Platform. This is perfect if you're like me and you go to lots of conferences and networking events. You meet so many people, get tons of business cards, and following up is so important. And Link makes it so easy to follow up. One of the coolest features of the Link Lead Management Platform is that it's all on the app on your phone. The first thing you want to do is get the information of the person you met into the Link Lead Management Platform. There's a few ways to do this. One way is to take a picture of their business card with the app, and Link will extract their info and put it all in the app automatically. I really love this way of saving someone's information right in front of them if I'm at a networking event. It makes them see that I really care about following up with them instead of just sticking their business card in my bag or my back pocket. They will remember that you took the time to enter their information into your database, and they'll be looking out for your follow-up email, call, or text. You can also do this with your stack of cards when you go back to your home or your hotel, but you'll really impress the person in front of you by saving their information right in front of them. You can also manually enter their information by pushing this button. You can also hand your phone to the person you met and ask them to enter their information into the form on the app. And once you have all their information in your phone, such as their name, their phone number, their email, their address, and anything else that you want to add, now you can add notes. Just put in the details about what you spoke about and what you're supposed to follow up on. You can also use voice dictation to add notes even faster. I like the feature to add tags. I put which event I met them at as a tag and if they're a potential partner. That way I can filter through my tags easily since I go to a lot of events and I want to keep everything organized. You can easily export the leads into your CRM or email marketing system using a CSV file or Zapier. You can do this individually or in bulk. You can email or airdrop the CSV file to your computer, but it's also really easy just to export to Zapier. If you're someone that meets a lot of people at networking events and needs to stay up with following up with all the people that you meet, then you definitely need to start using this app. Download the app for Apple or Android at GetLink.AI and start improving your networking today.